Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is part 2 of the unboxing of the BRIDGELIFT Thomas and Skip. It's not a lot of pieces, as you can see. It's only about 25 pieces, so it should be fairly easy to put together, right? I don't know. Let's see. This set also includes the map of Sodor, and you can see Brendan Docks to the left and on the bottom, and that's the area where we are trying to build our set today. If you watch the series, then you are familiar with some of the major stops like Vickerstown, Henry's Tunnel, Tiffany Shed, and so on. You get a little more information on other toys and train sets in the series. You have the instruction manual, which is so easy to follow. Absolutely no problems putting this set together. Very clear, very easy. So let's get started. Let's put together the BRIDGELIFT Thomas and Skip train set. And there you have it. It's all set up and ready for the birthday boy, who should be awake in a few minutes. So please stay tuned for part 3 and help me wish Zizah a very happy birthday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in part 3.